Hello dear students, I am Sushma Bhangi. Now we are going to study second chapter quadratic equations of 10th standard of Maths 1. So let us see. Definition of quadratic equation. When the degree of the polynomial is 1, it is called linear polynomial. And if the degree of the polynomial is 2, it is called quadratic polynomial. If we equate the quadratic polynomial to 0, we get quadratic equations. The equation involving one variable and having 2 as the maximum index of the variable is called quadratic equations. General form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now let us remember the values of variable which satisfy the equation or the value for which both the sides of equation are equal are called solutions or the roots of the equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is the general form of equation where a, b, c are real numbers and a is non-zero. Listen and remember students that a is non-zero means that a is not equal to 0. Now practice it 2.1. Question 1. Write any two quadratic equations. Students, this is the open-ended question. It means that you have to write any two quadratic equation by using any variable from alphabets A to Z. You can use any alphabet as a variable. First example, I have written here x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. You can write any values, that is real numbers, and any variable. Second example, y square minus 6y minus 8 equal to 0. Now question 2. Decide which of the following are quadratic equations. To decide quadratic equation, we have to check the variable index of the variable. If the index of the variable is 2, we can say that the given equation is a quadratic equation. So let us see the example. X square plus 5x minus 2 equal to 0. Now here variable used is x. The maximum index of x is 2. Therefore, yes, the given equation is quadratic equation. Second example, y square is equal to 2y minus 10 equal to 0. Rearrange the given terms, we get y square minus 5y plus 10 equal to 0. You can write directly that yes, given the given equation is quadratic equation. Third example, y square plus 1 upon y equal to 2. Multiply the given equation by y, we get y square plus 1 equal to 2y. Here the maximum index of the variable is 2, hence the given equation is quadratic equation. Now let us see question number 2. Fourth example, x plus 1 upon x equal to minus 2. Multiply the given equation with x, we get x square plus 1 is equal to minus 2x. Therefore, x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Yes, the given equation is quadratic equation. Practice it 2.1. Question 2, example number 5. Into bracket m plus 2 into bracket m minus 5 equal to 0. We have to solve the brackets or multiplying the brackets. We get m square plus 2m minus 5m minus 10 equal to 0. M square minus 3m minus 10 equal to 0. Plus 2m minus 5m, we get minus 3m. Yes, the given equation is quadratic equation. Now practice it same, question number same, and the example number is m6. m cube plus 3m square minus 2 is equal to 3m cube. Solving the equation. Minus 3m cube we have to take to LHS. Plus m cube plus 3m square minus 2 equal to 0. Minus 2m cube plus 3m square minus 2 equal to 0. As we see here that the maximum index of variable m is 3. Therefore, the equation is not quadratic equation. We have to write the reason because the index of the given variable is 3. Now say next example, question number 3. Write the following equation in the form x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then write the values of a, b, c for each equation. Example number 1, 2y is equal to 10 minus y square. Rearrange the terms we get. So we have to write the equation in the form x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Remember this thing. Y square plus 2y minus 10 equal to 0. Comparing the given equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We have to write this sentence in every example. We get a equal to 1, b equal to 2 and c equal to minus 10. Practice set same. Question number 3 is same. Now the example number is second. Into bracket x minus 1 square is equal to 2x plus 3. Solving LHS by identity, a minus b bracket square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. This identity we have already learned in 8th standard. We get x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 2x plus 3. Therefore, x square minus 2x plus 1 minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, x square minus 4x minus 3 equal to 0. Comparing the given equation with x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we get a equal to 1, b equal to minus 4 and c equal to minus 3. Now example number 3. X square plus 5x is equal to minus into bracket 3 minus x. Rearranging the given terms. X square plus 5x minus 3 plus x. Therefore, x square plus 5x plus 3 minus x equal to 0. Therefore, x square plus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. Comparing the given equation with x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we get a equal to 1, b equal to 4, c equal to 3. Now example number 4. 3m square is equal to 2m square minus 9. Rearranging the terms. 3m square minus 2m square plus 9 equal to 0. 3m square minus 2m square, we get 1m square. But here the middle term is absent. So we have written minus 0m plus 9 equal to 0. Comparing the given equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we get a equal to 1, b equal to 0 and c equal to 9. Next, practice set 2.1, question 3, example number 5th. P into bracket 3 plus 6p equal to minus 5. Answer. Multiply the bracket by p. 3p plus 6p square is equal to minus 5. Rearrange the terms, we get 6p square plus 3p plus 5 equal to 0. Comparing the given equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we get a equal to 6, b equal to 3 and c equal to 5. Practice set 2.1, question 3, example number 6. X square minus 9 equal to 13. 13 we have to take to LHS, it will become negative. Therefore, x square minus 22 equal to 0. Here middle term is absent. Therefore, x square minus 0x minus 22 equal to 0. Or you can write x square plus 0x also. Comparing the given equation with x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we get a equal to 1, b equal to 0 and c equal to minus 22. Practice set 2.1, question number 4. Determine whether the values given against each of the quadratic equation are the roots of the equation. Example number 1. X square plus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. Here the values given are x equal to 1 and minus 1. That means we have to put x equal to 1. Then again we have to put x equal to minus 1. Put x equal to 1 in the polynomial. Therefore 1 square plus 4 into bracket 1 minus 5 equal to 0. As we know that 1 square is 1. Plus 4 into 1, 4 minus 5 equal to 0. 5 minus 5 equal to 0. We will get LHS and RHS same. Therefore, x equal to 1 is the solution of the given equation. Therefore, we can say hence x equal to 1 is the one root of the equation. Now put x equal to minus 1 in the polynomial. minus 1 bracket square plus 4 into minus 1 minus 5 equal to 0. 1 minus 4 minus 5 equal to 0. Minus 8 not equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to minus 1 is not a solution of the equation. Question number 4, example number 2nd. 2m square minus 5m equal to 0. In this example, we have to put the values of m are 2 and 5 upon 2. Put m equal to 2 in the given equation. Therefore, equation becomes 2m into 2 bracket square minus 5 into 2 equal to 0. 2 into 4 minus 10 equal to 0. 8 minus 10 equal to 0. Therefore, minus 2 LHS and RHS is 0. Both are not equal. Hence, m equal to 2 is not the root of the given equation. Now, put m is equal to 5 upon 2 in the given equation. 2 into bracket 5 upon 2 just 2 square minus 5 into 5 upon 2 equal to 0. 2 into 25 upon 4 because 5 square is 25, 2 square is 4. 25 upon 2 minus 25 upon 2 equal to 0. 0 equal to 0. Here LHS and RHS are same. Hence m equal to 5 upon 2 is the root of the given equation. Now let us see question number 5. Find k if x equal to 3 is the root of the equation kx square minus 10x plus 3 equal to 0. Here equation is given and x equal to 3 is the root of the given equation. Now let us see. One root of the equation kx square minus 10x plus 3 is x is equal to 3. It is given. Now let us put x equal to 3 in the equation. K into bracket 3 square minus 10 into 3 plus 3 equal to 0. 3 square is 9. Therefore, 9k minus 30 plus 3 equal to 0. 9k minus 27 equal to 0. 9k equal to 27. K equal to 27 upon 9. We have to divide 27 by 9. Therefore, k equal to 3 is the final answer. Here we get k equal to 3. Now let us see question number 6. Here is the one activity which is given in our book. One of the root of the equation 5m square plus 2m plus k equal to 0 is minus 7 upon 2. Complete the following activity to find the value of k. Means that we have to put the proper values in this square bracket. Now let us solve it. Same question. Now in the square bracket we have to put minus 7 upon 5 is the root of quadratic equation. Put m equal to minus 7 upon 5 in the equation. 5 into, now solve the equation. 5 into minus 7 upon 5 square plus 2 into minus 7 upon 5 plus k equal to 0. 5 into 49 upon 25 minus 14 upon 5 plus k equal to 0. 14 upon 5 minus 49 upon 5 minus 14 upon 5 plus k equal to 0. Here denominator are same. Therefore 49 minus 14 we get 35. Therefore 35 upon 5 plus k equal to 0. Divide here 35 by 5. We get 7. 7 plus k equal to 0. Now we have to write the 7 to RHS. We will get negative. Therefore, k equal to minus 7 is the answer of this activity. Okay, now we have completed the practice set 2.1. So, thank you students.